Well, if y'all don't have a dash cam, here's one that I could recommend. It's actually a mirror. This is the front camera. Wipe the lens off some. Basically, you have these straps here. That's how it connects. Let me open the door so I have a little bit of light. We did a full video on the She Fast channel, so y'all could check that out if you're interested. And we have it linked on our Amazon storefront, so you can pick it up there, where we of course get a commission, so help the channel out while also getting a solid dash cam. Let me strap this joint in here. All right. Bring this one around. Just make sure that they lock in. Yeah, so this is a solid dash cam right here, man. This is what I'm currently running in my car. As you can see, there's actually two different views up there. That's the front camera, the rear camera. You can swipe it if you just want to show one or the other. So that's front camera right there. And you could turn it off and it functions just like a regular mirror. So let me adjust it so that I can actually see where I'm going here. And then I'm gonna make sure, yeah, the front camera's good. You can also drag it up and down like that to adjust your view. So it's a solid solid dash cam if y'all are in the market for one. So let's go ahead and get some of this dash cam footage. So you guys could see how clear this footage is, man. 4K in the front, 2.5K in the rear. The audio is the only thing on this dash cam that I have a complaint about, because it seems like it records too loud. So when you listen to the footage back, it gets a little bit distorted. Plus you get a little bit of rattling from the mirror. But I don't really get dash cams for the audio quality. They do have some that are much better, but you know, for me it's more about the video quality. So this definitely fits the bill for that. And looks like they may be starting to get ready anyway for the holiday lighting. They basically light up this whole area. So for like Christmas, they have a bunch of different lights up here. I might do a video showing that. Maybe we'll do like a POV video or something, or dash cam footage showing what it looks like when they have that set up. But yeah, out here at Newport News Park in Virginia. So if you're in the area and you like nature, this is definitely a good place to check out. A lot of hiking trails. You could ride your bike out here. You could fish. They have the water out there. A couple of piers and stuff. So a lot of people bring their dogs out here as well. But anyways, I'm not here to give you a tour of Newport News Park necessarily, as much as I have to talk about this dash cam. So basically you have an app that you can use to view the footage. You can also view the footage on a DV player that you can download. They have a link on the Pelsee website that you can check out. So looks like they have this road blocked off, so I'm gonna have to turn around here. So yeah, if you're in the market for a dash cam, this is definitely one worth checking out. Man, it's a nice day out here. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Again, welcome to all the, get out the way, squirrel, move. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for supporting the channel. And yeah, I have a lot more content coming, a lot of ideas that I have. It's just gonna take me time to actually record the videos, in some cases get the actual products in. But I do have some installs that I want to do, a couple of other ideas for videos. So anyway, stay tuned. If you're in the market for a dash cam, like I said, check that link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.